This is Josie. Welcome to my channel. Hi friends, and welcome once again back here to my channel. It's been a while since I have posted a DIY for you guys, and in this video I am going to show you guys how to make this different style Mickey Mouse centerpiece. I know I already told you guys how to do one style, but in my opinion, I think this one is even that much cuter. So stick around guys and come along as I show you guys how to make Mickey Mouse centerpieces. So the first thing I did was I went ahead and painted the box red, and not all the way up as you can see, because this box is going to be two colors, and to get the two color effect I'm going to get the Scotch tape I had laying around. It's ruler, it doesn't have to be a ruler, it just has to be Scotch tape because they're easier to take off once you put them on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure, not measure, but I'm going to lay down the tape about where I want the second color to start, like so. And then I'm going to cut it off. And I should have a perfectly straight guide of where the other color is going to be, like so. For the bottom part, this is the color I use. It's called red. And for the top black, I'm going to use black. And there's different types of color blacks. Don't think I'm being weird by just telling you what color I'm using, the obvious color, but there are different shades. But this one's black, and of course I'm going to use my sponge brush, and I'm just going to paint. And it doesn't matter if you get it over the Scotch tape, it's going to be removed anyway. So you just want to go ahead and paint and make sure you get it in well, and make sure also you cover that red portion you see above the tape. Make sure that is completely covered as well, like so. So once that's done like that, I'm going to let it dry. And once I have let it dry, I'm going to start removing the tape, which is also a very satisfying part of this project. So next, I'm going to hole punch 1-inch circles in white, and these are going to be used as the buttons for the box, and in this case, the buttons that Mickey Mouse has on his shorts. I'm gonna lay them down, make sure they're, I have a idea where I want the buttons or the circles. Add some hot glue and add to the box. Next, I'm going to add the styrofoam, and this styrofoam is usually bigger than the one I use, but it has to be a little bit bigger because we are putting 3 images in that styrofoam, like so. The first image is going to be the Mickey Mouse. This one's the one we're using. I'm going to get my dowel, measure, glue, and stab to the styrofoam. For the other images, I just cut in half these 2 dowels. One dowel I cut into 2. I'm going to measure the Mickey Mouse head with the name of the party boy, like so. And then I'm going to glue Mickey Mouse glove to the other dowel, like so. And for the smaller images, I'm going to stab them or put them in the edge of the styrofoam. And this is the reason why I needed to be a little bit longer and bigger. So I'm going to add glue at the bottom like always. And then just go ahead and put them in the side of the styrofoam. Now it's time to add the tissue and the tissue paper, and I'm using red and yellow. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to get one of each color, lay them over on top of each other, and then grab them from the middle, pinch like so, and then I'm going to add glue to the edge of it, and that part where it has glue, I'm just going to stick it inside the box like so. And there you guys have it, the cutest Mickey Mouse centerpiece you will ever make. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.